Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency or the reference rate within the Aqua Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Aqua Wallet app on your device, and after you log into your account, you will be taken into the wallet page. Now from this page, go ahead and tap on Settings at the bottom right, which will now open up the Settings menu. Now within the General Settings, you will see the reference rate option, which is also your actively selected currency. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you will see the various different currencies within the selected currency menu. Just scroll down and choose whichever currency you wish to use. Once you tap on it, this will now become your selected currency. You can also choose your price source or the reference rate from the price source menu. After choosing your reference rate, when you go back to the wallet page, your price will now be shown within your reference rate currency. You can go back to the settings page and then change it at any point of time based on your desire. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to choose your currency or reference rate on the Aqua Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.